Fear. If you let it take over you, you let it control you. We all have our doubts and insecurities. Mine's unbelieving in myself. But the fears that you don't face, they become your limits. They stall you and find a deep place in your mind. But for me, I'm not letting that decide my future. I'm gonna feel the fear and do it anyway. Thanks so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed the message of this video and that it motivates you to get your 2018 goals. If you guys do want to pick up a Fearless t-shirt or hoodie, I have them available at my store. The link is going to be in the description below. Just remember that they're going to be limited edition, so as soon as they all sell out, I will not be making any more. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys all in my next daily vlog. Bye! Huge thanks to Jared for being YouTube boyfriend of the day, of the year. YouTube boyfriend of the year for helping me film this video. Wasn't it so much fun to film?
I think you should call me boyfriend of the year.
Hey, what do YouTube boyfriend say to the other YouTube boyfriend?
Subscribe.